So that's the factory Dodge Cummins radiator.
I just got a call.
I'm surprised.
I just got a call from work. I gotta go. Can you take me to the airport?
That's funny. I got a call too. The dependable OBS. That's why I'm done with the Squarebody. Those are those little things that you're thinking in your head, you're going through, but somebody else installed it. You didn't go back and double check it. There's too many things to check. That's what this is all about. Well, we were running down east on this 303, getting some really good shots. Heard a little noise, but the show must go on, so we just kept on filming. 83s came up what? Up to the right? Made it to the first exit, flipped around, headed back. Temperature of the truck started getting up a little up in there, which is uncharacteristic of not only a Syndicate build, but a Cummins Diesel. And just things weren't right, so Joe pulled it over, and sure enough, it looked like it shredded a couple of the bolts off the water pump pulley and through the belt. And a little bit of a chaotic situation, but truck's good, nothing's been damaged. Just now waiting for the Syndicate recovery vehicle.
This was a factory Cheyenne Super C30. So it was a single wheel C30 from the factory, so it was a special truck from the beginning. I'm Joe Yezzi with Squarebody Syndicate. I'm going to show you our latest creation of the Cheyenne Super SBS Syndicate Edition. We call it the Syndicate Edition because there is 3.5 inches added to the back of the cab, 8 inches taken out of the front side of the bed, and 2 inches taken out of the back side of the bed. We had to shorten the frame 4.5 inches to get everything proportionate to today's Silverado. So another special feature on this is a factory GM sway bar, rear sway bar for towing, rear disc brake. Took the drum out, AC Delco shocks. We got the factory C30 springs. So everything under this truck is brand spanking new. Every bushing, every nut and bolt, all the way down to the powder coated frame. It's like driving a Cadillac. Like today's Silverado, what we did was cut the 8-foot bed down to a 7-foot bed almost. So when you look at the truck, you're not sure what it is, but you know there's something different about it. Stock height. What I'm gonna do is show you the back seat. So what we did is we took a seat, a rear bench from a Western hauler, which was a custom application for the 80s, mid-80s crew cabs. And we modified it, so that's why we extended the cab 3.5 inches. So this seat will not only have more leg room, but it will, at ease, come down to a bed where anybody can lay back here. You go camping, you park in a parking lot, whatever, you're getting tired. It's a highway runner, so on those long highway stretches, if you just want to take a nap, you just roll back here. You got the 10-inch subs back here for music enjoyment. Nobody smokes, so we were going to do a little technology, and what better to have some USB. These are phone chargers in both ashtrays, just for convenience. And then we got the kicker 6x9s in each door, and we had sealed each door, so they're literally like sealed speaker boxes, so they sound amazing. We have a 1,000-watt amp under the seat that's completely Bluetooth, so we can hook up Bluetooth for our phone and have the music as well, Pandora, iTunes, whatever. On the inside, we have the old school NOS trailer brake. We have the Syndicate Series Diesel gauge cluster that we provide with our Syndicate Series column, which is 2 inches shorter. Dakota Digital cruise control that links right up and syncs with the Syndicate Series gauges. NOS CB, GM with the PA built in, so you can talk while you full AC, heat, everything, all the creature comforts that you would see in a newer truck. We got the GM speaker for the CB, which I think is just a piece of art. It's like Art Deco with the way the screen is. And in the ashtray, since we don't smoke, we use the kicker bass knob and boost Cigarette lighter works great. We do smoke cigars though. You know, everybody wants to build their dream truck, and they don't build things that what a truck can do. And you know, a lot of these trucks can only scrape, or you know, and to each their own. But we wanted something that can work and tow, and this is it. This is the truck I wanted to have in the fleet for us, so we can tow a trailer or just take it out and go grab a beer or something. So the other thing I like about this thing is it's built like a tank. You can hear it in the doors. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this build as much as we did. I just want to thank Sam Castronova, GMC Ave, and of course Lowlife Video. So stay tuned for our next build.